All right, what's up, y'all? What's going on? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, y'all. Welcome to this free webinar, okay? The Clean and Business Automation webinar. I ain't gonna waste y'all time. I see we got a few viewers already joining us, so let's go ahead and get right into this thing. Are y'all ready? Let's go. Here we go. So, welcome to Cleaning Business Automation. All right, this right here, this webinar, this free training, this free webinar right here should open up your eyes. All right, I guarantee you're gonna get a lot of value from this. I promise I'm gonna do my best not to hold you long, because I know me personally, I hate when I go to people webinars, right, and they get to talking and talking until going on forever, and they don't get to the point. So I'm gonna do my best to do what I always do, and that's just get straight to the point. All right, now before I jump into what the cleaning business automation process is, just really quick, I got to give you an overview of who I am. For those who might have found me through an ad, or they don't watch the AJ Simmons YouTube channel, they don't really know exactly who I am, all right, and why I'm qualified to teach you this program. All right, so here we go. The first thing is this, man. I'm AJ Simmons, all right, founder of the Clean Biz Network. But before I started the Clean Biz Network, I had a cleaning company, right? I sold my cleaning company back in 2018. But just to give you a little bit of background, right? So I started my first cleaning company. I was 19 years old, bought through a cleaning franchise. I sucked at that cleaning franchise, so I ended up basically selling out of that. I started a couple of other businesses. Fast forward from 19 years old to about 25, 26, I bought another cleaning franchise. This time, actually, I was 28 now to think about it. But anyway, I was 28 years old. Bought into another cleaning franchise. This time, the company, I can go ahead and say it since I'm going to show you anyway, that it was Jam Pro, okay? So I bought in with Jam Pro. I won the Franchise Owner of the Year award, which I'll pull up on the screen here so you can see here. I won that award back in 2015, all right? And that was just like a year after actually buying in. So my very first year of buying into the franchise, right after that, I won that award, y'all. And actually, the award is right here behind me as well. Just so you know, ain't no Photoshop. You know what I mean? This is real deal stuff. So, you know what I mean? I know my stuff. And so, after I won that award, what ended up happening was, and also not just after I won the award, but after, building my cleaning company through that franchise, after building it up, what ended up happening was the franchise wanted to hire me as an employee. And so they moved me down from Virginia, where I'm originally from, Portsmouth, Virginia, down to Jacksonville, Florida. And I became an operations manager. I think my actual business card said franchise consultant or something like that. So basically, I was a consultant to the franchise owners. I was training franchise owners, showing them how to grow, teaching them the systems that I was implementing in my cleaning company so that I can help them grow, right? And so that was really the pivot that really, helped me understand the inner workings of bigger cleaning companies, right? The big cleaning franchises and what their model was. So the combination of me owning a cleaning company since I was 19, and even though I got rid of the first one, even during those times where I was doing odd jobs and running different types of businesses from that time, I was still running I was doing freelance cleaning for I was subcontracting for other companies, right? And so I had my cleaning company then I started subcontracting freelance, and then I started another cleaning franchise with Jam Pro, and then next thing you know, so that I think it was 2014 I got my second cleaning franchise. By 2015 I won that award, and then fast forward all the way to 2018, I ran that company, then sold it to my brother, and that's when I started Clean Biz Network to help people start, grow, and now automate or systemize their cleaning company. All right, and so in this right here, this free training right here, I want to show you what I've learned. All right, so let's go ahead and take me off the screen, and we're going to jump into this whiteboard. All right, and we're going to get straight into it. So the very first thing that I learned, and what you probably should already know, is before you do anything, you're going to need one thing, man. And what is that? You're going to need, let me see if I can get my pen to work here. All right, you're going to need this: customer acquisition. All right, you're going to need some type of customer acquisition system. It's got to be a system, something that can get you leads coming in nonstop, that'll allow you to get customers nonstop, right? So you wanted something that you can be able to turn it on like a faucet almost, right? Like when water coming out of a faucet, you just cut it on, cut it off, right? You want to have a program or some type of system that will allow leads to just come into you nonstop, and that will allow you to get customers coming in nonstop, right? So that's the very first step. We'll call that step one, right? And this, again, this is what I learned by watching the big players play, and not just franchises as well. So, I work with other multi-million dollar companies and owners, and I network with them, and I watch what they do as well. And I'm seeing, everybody's doing the same thing, all right? They have a way to generate customers coming in nonstop, right? The very next thing that they have is a hiring system, right? So we'll call that HS, right? So we'll say a hiring system. So this right here is basically a way to have employee retention and then recruitment all coming in like nonstop. Again, it's just a system. So a way to constantly attract employees or labor, people who are going to perform the cleaning, right? A way to attract those people to cover the cleaning, but then also do it in a quality way, right? So you need a system to cover that as well, right? Because somebody got to do the cleaning, and with you being the CEO of your company, the owner of your company, it should not be you if you're serious about scaling, right? So that's step number 2. And then finally, step number 3 is what? You already know, you hear this word a million times in the systems, right? So you got to have a system to keep these guys under control, but then also just keep your whole business running as a whole. So you got to have some type of structure. That S could stand for structure as well. But just a system, hopefully you have it digitally where you can have everything running like a well-oiled machine, right? So this right here are the basic 3 steps. Now, why do you want these things, right? Why do you want it? Because this is the only way to scale, right? If you don't have a way to, let's just say, for example, if you want to get at least 1 new contract every single month. We'll just say 1 for now, right? Well, how many proposals do you have to submit every single month? Well, you got to at least submit 10. Let's just say 10. And you don't have to do 10 if you know how to close these deals. But for now, let's just say worst case scenario, you're not good at closing deals. Well, you know that every single month you need to submit at least 10 proposals if you want to close on 1 deal, right? Because you're not going to get all of them, right? You submit proposals nonstop, right? But how can you submit proposals if you don't have a way for these customers to come in, right? So that's why we need that customer acquisition system. Then it's like, okay, well, you already know what you need this for then, right? And so you can have a system for somebody to clean them. Because if you got a system for getting new customers nonstop, then what good does it do if you don't have anybody to clean it, right? And so you're going to have a system to where you always have somebody to cover it, and these people are hungry for more work, which means that you can always have this faucet on and just continuously grow, right? But if you continuously grow, continuously hire, then guess what? You're going to be like, hold up, now we got to have this stuff under control, right? We got to have some type of organization, so that's why you have to have that system, right? And so this is the reason why I wanted to show you. And honestly, if we serious about this, this is it, y'all. This right here is really the webinar, right? This is all you need to know is how can I set up an automation system to get customers coming in nonstop, right? Then your next question is, once you answer that, is how can I set up a way to get people to clean nonstop, right? How can I fix my hiring system and get people coming in to clean nonstop, right? And then finally, now how can I systemize all this stuff so I can track it, right? How can I track all of these things and make sure that it's possible, right? And then you might be thinking, you might have an idea for this. You probably don't have a solution for this, right? And then you probably got a few things here and there that you might do a spreadsheet here or one little app there that can control this, right? What I want to do is show you how to bring this all together as one big automation system, right? And so what I did was I just simply created the Cleaning Business Automation course, okay? And so why I'm here today is to let you know that I figured out what these big guys are doing, right? I figured it out, but I just didn't really have the solutions at first. You know, everybody know I taught a course before that was called the in-house lead generation course, right? And it taught this, right? It taught this. But then the problem that everybody ran into was, well, how do I keep good workers? I can't find good workers. Nobody wants to work, right? I fixed this problem, y'all. I fixed it. I have the solution for how to constantly keep quality workers who want to work, who's going to take pride in their work, and I guarantee you I'm going to fix that problem, y'all. I found the solution. And then obviously we got systems, and y'all know I created a mobile app called Calculated Clean, right? Well, guess what? That's just one of the many systems, because Calculated Clean has a walkthrough feature in it. It has, you can get leads from it. It has the calculator, it has proposal generators, all of that stuff you're going to need, right? But at the end of the day, well, what if I showed you that and more, and just how to implement it in your system, right? So you don't need to buy anybody's Calculated Clean, right? You don't need to have a outside CRM company, right? What if I show you how to roll all of this up inside of your company, right? You have your own in-house lead generation. You have your own way of attracting quality workers, right? And I'll show you how to do that. And then you have your own system with your own calculator, your own proposal generator that you can customize any type of way that you want, right? And you put all of this in your company. What if I could show you that? And I can. And so this is what I came up with, y'all. I came up with the Cleaning Business Automation course, y'all. So right about now, you should have saw a little button at the bottom of your screen here that popped up that you can click. So go ahead and click it, and you will see the Cleaning Business Automation course, and you can get in right now, y'all. So the course is going to officially launch on March 20th. I'm giving y'all 30 days to get in here, right? So the course will officially launch on March 30th. March 20th. All right. Right now, the course is $14.97 for these first 30 days, because I want to get as many people in here as possible. And if you stay to the end, of course, I'm going to have a special offer for you, right? But the course is $14.97 right now for the first 30 days, okay? Make sure y'all listen to the end, though. It's going to be $24.97, and eventually I'll probably bump it up to just under about $5,000, right? And I'm going to be honest with you. Why am I doing it? Why am I charging so much for this information? It's because when I tell you I cracked the code for real, I really cracked the code. Like, this is one thing. And this program right here, when I had the in-house lead generation course, that was a $2,000 course within itself, okay? And everybody that bought that course was satisfied with it. I showed them, everything. I got a database of every business in the country, and I'll show you how to get, trust me, this is covered, right? That was a $2,000 product, and I was selling that. But now with this element involved with it, with this hiring system that I have involved with it, what I'm going to show you how, when I tell you I cracked the code on hiring, you never have to worry about this stuff again, y'all. And I ain't even going to go into too much detail about how sweet the system is that I figured out. But let's just say, I guarantee you, not only are you going to hire great people, keep them long term, but you also, I'm going to show you how to get paid to do it, all right? So that's the second step. And then this right here is going to make you more money than you ever imagined, because the skills that I'm going to show you with this, again, you got to remember, you're talking to a guy that created his own mobile app, right? His own lead generation service, right? I'm going to give you the blueprint to do all of this. And so with me putting out this type of information that I really could just license out the CBN name and take over the world with this information, if I'm honest. I can run a cleaning company in every single country by doing this, right? But you know what? It's quicker for me and it's more efficient for me to just let you get the information. I'll provide it to you at a cost, because this information will make you, the amount of money that you're going to invest into this course is minimal when it comes to the amount of money that you're going to make back. And that's just a fact, y'all. That's just a fact. And if you don't believe me, then I have countless amounts of testimonials. Countless, y'all. Let's check them out for a minute. Like, when I tell you I got countless amounts of testimonials, look at this. We got Miss Katrina Johnson here, $10,000 a month, 5 kids, right? We got, and of course, these are all old videos. So all of these people you seeing are even bigger now today. And these are people, you talking about $10,000 a month for Miss Johnson here. You talking about 3 contracts in 31 days for Mr. Tyrone Dunlap Bay. You talking about $25,000 a month here for, who is this? This is my guy, Mark Smith. Okay, we got Brandon Lee, 22 years old, started his cleaning company, $7,000 a month, right? Who else we got? We got Marcus Crockett, $23,500 a month. We got $36,000 a year by Mr. Rodney. This man has one arm, y'all. And I skipped one. We got Rashad O'Kelly, $19,000 a month. We got Martell Cuffey, $20,000 a month, man. The list goes on. You keep scrolling down this. I got a whole playlist of nothing but testimonials. And guess what? You talking $40,000 a month. Come on, y'all. And this is people hitting these numbers from my starter course. This is from my starter course. So when I provide you with this course right here, this information from the Cleaning Business Automation course, we got to hit the millions now, y'all. It's time for us to level up as a whole network. as a network, it's time to level up. I need these numbers to be saying millions now. And these people, by the way, be clear. When I coach clients, I coach them the way that they can make more money than me. I have people in Clean Biz Network that make more than me, more than my company Clean Biz Network does, because that's what great coaching does. And I try to get them to a point where they don't need me anymore. They can go past me. They can start doing the mentoring, right? Or they can just move on to the next person who can scale them bigger than what I can, right? But at this point, it really does not make any sense for you. It really does not make any sense for you to not like. And if you at the and by the way, this program ain't for everybody, right? This point ain't for everybody. So if you know what I mean, you making two to 5 grand a month, you just trying to figure out like what am I missing or how to get customers, the basic stuff. You want to start with a cleaning starter kit course, all right? You want to start with the cleaning business starter course, all right? So if you go to cleanbiznetwork.com and just click on cleaning business starter course, you can go there, okay? You already in business, but you just need a little bit more help, a little more guidance so you can get customers, right? Just get the cleaning business starter course. That one's only $4.99, all right? So you go to the website and you can get that one, all right? But for those who are ready to scale, and I'm talking you doing 10 grand a month or more, you doing 20, you doing 40, you could be doing 1 million. I guarantee you this course right here is going to change the entire way that you run your company. And that's just a fact, y'all. That's just a fact. So if you made it all the way to the end right now, here's your discount code if you want to get in. By the way, this discount code only lasts for 24 hours, all right? It's going to take the price down to $9.99. To $9.99 only. All right, but you got to get it within 24 hours, and the discount code is today only. No space in between today and only. It's all capital letters. Today only is the discount code. Type that in, and you may notice also that when we were on the course page, there is a payment plan available. Right, so the course is being sold through Shopify, and I specifically sold the course through Shopify so we can have that shop pay option that'll allow you to make payments if you need to make payments. But the coda again is today only. But other than that, that's what I got for y'all, man. So I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network. I appreciate y'all for joining me. If you're watching the replay, I'm sorry that you missed out on that discount code. But again, it's still $1,000 off for the first 30 days. So make sure you take advantage within the first 30 days. After that, price going up. And like I said, as the course keeps getting better and better as I advance it, I'm trying to get that course up to. It's probably going to be about just under 5,000, like 495, 497. No, 4,997 is what I'm saying. All right. So get in now. The earlier you get in, the better. That's what I got for y'all. Thank y'all for watching this replay. I'll talk to y'all soon. Again, if you want to go forward, click that red button below on the webinar page, y'all. That's what I got.